Every day, millions of freshly picked apples arrive at this state-of-the-art factory, ready to be transformed into desserts loved worldwide. From orchard to conveyor, each apple begins its journey with a gentle unloading system designed to prevent bruising. Automated distribution arms spread the apples across the line to ensure stable flowing and precise processing. The first phase begins with a soft mist wash, removing dust and field debris picked up during harvest.
Next, the apples drop into flotation tanks, where air bubbles gently lift and separate them without damage. Ultra-fast optical scanners take thousands of images per second to detect color, size, and imperfections instantly. Robotic sorting arms grade each apple with perfect accuracy, dividing them into premium and processing batches.
Selected apples are guided toward peeling stations using foam chutes that minimize friction. These high-speed peelers rotate the apples and remove the skin in one continuous, satisfying spiral. Automated coring units punch through the center perfectly, removing seeds in milliseconds.
Industrial slicers then cut the apples into exact rings and wedges, depending on the final product.
Freshly cut slices travel through mesh belts as natural juice flows to dedicated collection channels.
Premium apples enter the juicing line, where hydraulic presses extract crystal clear juice. Advanced microfiltration systems ensure every drop of juice is smooth, bright, and naturally sweet.
For sparkling cider, precision carbonation injectors add fine bubbles for a refreshing finish.
Thicker apple purees are cooked slowly to form the base of translucent apple jellies, trending worldwide.
Cooling tables solidify the mixture into a perfect gel, ready to be sliced into crystal clear cubes.
These cubes then become viral apple boba, mixed gently to preserve their glossy texture.
Another batch of sliced apples moves toward the freeze-drying chambers, where moisture is removed without cooking. Minutes later, they emerge light, crispy, and packed with natural apple flavor.
Quality control experts test the texture to ensure every chip delivers the perfect crunch.
Precision scales drop the exact amount of chips into each bag before heat sealing.
Heat sealing systems create airtight seams, locking in freshness and crispness. Robotic palletizers stack the finished cartons in perfectly balanced layers for shipping.
Meanwhile, apple-flavored mochi dough is blended with fine apple puree for natural sweetness.
A filling nozzle injects soft apple jelly into each mochi ball with surgical precision.
Light dusting prevents sticking, giving these treats their signature velvety surface.
Apple cinnamon rolls glide across conveyors as warm glaze drips over their spiraled layers. Caramel dipping units coat apple slices evenly, creating timeless festive treats. Cooling trays allow the caramel to set into a glossy, irresistible shell. Luxury apple cakes start with fresh batter, loaded with tender apple chunks. Industrial ovens bake the cakes evenly, creating a soft, fragrant texture.
Decorating lines finish each cake with a glossy apple glaze.
Apple tarts are carefully assembled with thin, hand-placed apple slices.
Every dessert travels toward premium packaging stations designed for freshness.
Airtight sealing protects delicate textures while keeping everything food safe.
Labeling arms apply high-resolution labels, identifying each product's flavor and grade. Juice bottling lines fill dozens of bottles at once, ensuring fast and consistent output.
Rotating cappers twist the lids tightly, preparing each bottle for shipment. Heat tunnels shrink labels smoothly around each bottle, creating a sleek retail finish.
Cold chain packaging keeps juices chilled during transport to maintain their crisp flavor.
Different apple-based products are combined into mixed crates headed for global distribution. Automated wrapping stations secure pallets for long-distance travel.
Forklifts load the finished pallets into climate-controlled trucks.
Once full, the trucks are sealed and prepared for distribution. Shipments leave around the clock to meet global demand for apple desserts and drinks.
Hours after processing, many of these products arrive on store shelves worldwide.
From snacks to pastries to refreshing drinks, the variety is endless.
Crisp textures, fresh flavor. Each product reflects precise engineering.
Sparkling ciders capture the natural sweetness and aroma of premium apples.
Apple jelly cubes provide a glossy, translucent finish beloved in modern desserts.
Apple Mochi offers a chewy exterior with a fruity, melting core.
Lighting tests highlight the natural color and aesthetic appeal of each treat.
Together, these products represent the full potential of modern apple processing.
Inside the factory, every step is optimized for speed, safety, and taste. Human expertise combines with robotics to achieve unmatched precision.
From harvest to packaging, the scale and efficiency are astonishing.
Even as shifts change, the commitment to quality remains constant.
And it all begins with a simple apple, grown with care and harvested at peak ripeness.
From farm to fresh dessert, this is the complete journey of the modern apple.